Hi, this is Shreyang Siddharth, and in this video, we will learn to implement circular image view. So this is what we are going to create in this video. Just a simple application with your favorite celebrity image. And this circular image view can also contain some border. So let's do it. So within my activity main.xml, I have added an image view. I have modified its attribute a little bit, such as this is its width and height, some constraints, and currently my image view points to professor's image, which I have added in the drawable folder over here. You can add your own favorite celebrity image like this one. Well, by default in Android, we don't have any provision to use circular image view. Even if it is there, we would need to take a lengthy path. But now we have a shortcut. We can use an open source library of circular image view. And for that, you have to go to your Gradle file, module level, and within dependencies, just add this statement. Once you add it, sync your project. Now back to your layout file, and here just replace this image view by DE and select this one. Once you do it, you will find the changes in your layout file. The circular image view is in place now. And yes, that is it. We are pretty done. Let's run it in our emulator. Let's zoom it a little bit. Looks quite interesting, isn't it? Now, you can also put some border in your image view, right? So for that, in your image view, use app schema and use CIV border width and use the width of, let's say, 3dp. Then define the border color by using CIV border color. Let's use the black color. And of course, you can always select your color from this color chooser from here, right? Run the application. So here we go, this is the border. Great, isn't it? Now at last, let's use this image. And let's change the border color this time. Let's say blue. Let's run the application. Perfect. So our circular image view is working perfectly fine. And this is the library which I used in this video. The link to the library is in the description. You can check its documentation or the README file to use it perfectly in your own project. Now in the next video, I will show you how to use circular image view without using any library. You will find the link to this video in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.